Look at this giant domino. It weighs a ton, looks unshakable. But all it took was the tiniest push. Now, imagine this. People say a single sheet of paper could reach the moon. Sounds impossible, right? A flimsy piece of paper touching the moon. But here's the secret. Every time you fold it, its thickness doesn't grow in a line. It doubles from almost nothing to twice that nothing. Doesn't look like much, but keep going. Because this is where the magic of doubling starts to wake up. Fold it 10 times. It's as thick as a notebook. Fold it 15 times. Now it's taller than you. Fold it 20 times, and it's beating the height of a house. At 30 folds, you're looking down at mountains. Clouds are below you. You've stepped into outer space. And if, just if, you could fold it 42 times, this tiny sheet of paper would stretch all the way to the moon. This is the insane power of doubling. It starts so small that nobody notices. It looks weak, slow, boring. But every quiet step, every tiny increase is secretly getting stronger, until one day it becomes unstoppable. In the real world, it's just like dominoes. One small domino can knock over another, a little bigger, and that one hits a bigger one. And soon, something tiny is toppling something huge. Your habits work the same way. Read a few pages every day. Practice one skill for just 20 minutes. Save a little bit of money each month. At first, it feels like nothing's changing. But give it time, and those tiny efforts start multiplying. So the next time your progress feels slow, or your dream feels too far away, remember the paper to the moon. Remember the little domino that starts it all. That's the power of exponential growth. Small steps, repeated daily, big impact. This is the Domino Paper Story. Thanks for watching, and keep pushing that first piece.